Saying bless you after a sneeze started because people thought you were dying? It all started with fear. Back in ancient times, sneezing was a bad omen. People believed your soul could escape your body, leaving you open for evil spirits. So, saying bless you was a quick prayer for protection. And during a deadly plague in the 6th century, sneezing meant you might be infected. Pope Gregory V ordered people to say God bless you, hoping it might save lives. Today, science says it's just your body clearing irritants, but the tradition stuck. Wild how a simple sneeze held so much fear, right? Follow for more strange history facts.